Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Let's get you the latest update as far as Satluj controversy is concerned. So after that entire controversy, now the centre is examining possible changes to the regulatory framework for OTT content in India. Top government sources are suggesting that tighter rules, including a possible certification mechanism similar to films cleared by CBFC, is something that's also being discussed. While no final notification has been issued yet, the government is looking at several options that could bring OTT releases under a stricter review process as well. So this is the big story that we are getting for you. We have Sabyasachi joining us live right now for more on this. Sabyasachi, now this is significant because I remember sources in the government had suggested after the entire Satluj controversy that there is no system of really certifying any film on OTT platform, and that's the reason why it can't really do anything about what's happening with Satluj.
Well, that's right. See, that was the reason why Satluj was released in the OTT platform, because the OTT platform does not require the certification from the CBFC, and it comes under the IT Rules 2021, and that is the reason why Satluj was released in the platform ZEE5. Now, after the controversy started, now government started discussing that there has to be some sort of provision that could be brought in to regularize this uncertified movies which comes in the OTT platform, and that is when the discussion started. And the government right now, what we are learning from the sources, are discussing whether a certain provision could be brought in under the IT Rules 2021, which would make it necessary for the OTT platforms, for any movies to release in OTT platform, they would require certification, is what we are learning from the sources. Now, there has been several controversy. We have seen that the makers had approached the Bombay High Court, but the sources tell us that later the makers withdraw their petition from the Bombay High Court after it was released in OTT platform, and the name of the movie was not only changed once but twice, and several other cuts, around 127 cuts, were told by the CBFC to the makers, which the makers declined, and the makers said that if we make these cuts, then the movie would lose its soul and the message that the movie wanted to give, and that is the reason why the makers decided to release it at the OTT platform. But within 48 hours, we saw that the OTT platform removed the movie from its platform, and they have gave the reason because of current development, and later the government said that because of security concerns and also because of the obligations of the IT Rules 2021, they had to take this decision.
All right. Thank you very much, Sabyasachi, for the moment, for joining us with your input on the story.